Kajila Miglaya Hadoga Arbaji Minsngi Jonka Apundre Terek Nailur Aja Arpo, Kladan Sanpusang would Kibiatamayo COVID-19, but Lispa Harbing would Kiblakod no. Office DHS Kalapante Banakini Sanpusang would Kibiatamai, Lipoing would Kidene East Castle District, Hakabakandre would Kideki Iris Contact, Iwe Bon Panabajala, Arnwood na Oakland Road, Arnwood na Nomansong, Soundwood na Barapathar, Arnwood na Molai Putmuri, but Soundwood na Malki. Kararnwood Kidena West Garo Hills District, Hakabakadwingwood Kideki Harris Contact, but Iwe Iboan Panabar Jala. Hindrewwood na East Garo Hills District, Hakabasanwood Kideki Harris Contact, but Iwe Iboan Panabar Jala. Arnwood Kideki Harris Contact na Riboy District, Iwe Harris Contact na South Garo Hills District, but Iwe na West Giant Hills District Iboan Panabar Jala. Nagilaispa Hadwingwood Kibakodman Takasngi, Aspa Lipsangwood Kidena East Khas Hills District, Sanpuingwood na East Giant Hills, Kandringwood na Riboy District, Hinyongwood na West Garo Hills, Arnwood na West Khasi Hills, Bariway na West Giant Hills District. Dagajing yothamai kinigisan pasangwood bagajing kod no Kilaispa Hadwingwood, Kajala Megalaya Hadubapinmi Yaganika Kubor, Kadan San Hajar Aspa Hadartali ki positive case, Shihajar Sanspa Hasantali ki active case, Lai Hajar and Brewspa Sanpusautali ki recovered case, but Sapulangwood ki Blacklat no. Nagani ki Shihajar Sanspa Hatsantali ki active case, ke East Khas Hills District and Kandaispa Kandai Pasantali, Hakaba Prapasanwood ki Dinaka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Kandaispa Shipongwood ki Riupait ba. West Khasi Hills District and Newthali ki active case, Southwest Khasi Hills Lai, Riboy District Shispa Arbusan, Hakaba Arbusan would Kirinaka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Shispa would Kiriupait ba. West Giant Hills Kadan Pratali ki active case, East Giant Hills Arspa Arpusau, West Garo Hills Shispa, Hakaba Lai Pinyong would Kirinaka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force, Bandrepulai would Kiriupait ba. Southwest Garo Hills Kadan Kat Southali ki active case, South Garo Hills South, East Garo Hills Khatlai, but North Garo Hills Arpu Arthali ki active case.